Welcome to Rockville.
Guys, check out this classic 85 Cr250, one we elected not to do a frame off. Most of our frame off 250s start at like 9,000. A lot of people have been asking for more affordable bikes. This one will be less than half that on the reserve price. So we did do quite a bit to it. As you can see, it looks absolutely excellent, and it's ready to go. Let me give you a quick riding demo. All right, I just did the Instagram video on it, so it's plenty warmed up. And then I'll go over the work order. Wizard did quite a bit to this. So before I throw it on the stand, check out the frame rails. They're in good condition. They're all smashed in. So that's one thing you got to check on these classics. The bike runs as good as it would have if it got a frame off resto, but we left some things out to keep the price affordable, notably taking it down to the frame and redoing everything on it. But Jerry Robbins showed up at the Loretta Lynn's National Championship on one of these, what was it, 6 years ago, and smoked all the 250 riders on a pretty much stock 85 250 because his bike had blown up. So these are definitely capable of being very competitive in the racing scenario. A couple other older pro riders did the same thing. Can't remember their names right now, but you know who they are. So in any event, definitely a lot of power. These ATAC 250s from the late 80s were spectacular engines, plenty of hop-up parts available, plenty of support for this engine on the market if you need to want to do anything to it. But it needed a new stator, so we put a new stator in it and went through the electronics on it. Wizard put a new filter in it, went through the airbox, rebuilt the carb, new fuel lines, new fuel drain lines, new spark plug, rebuilt the water pump, went right through it, the whole bike. Anything it needed, he did. Has a DG silencer on it. Let me take a look at the work order here so I don't leave anything out. All the fluids are new. It's got new coolant, new gear oil. It's got a couple of pages here of notes. New clutch cover gasket, new oil seal, new water pump seal, new coolant, new gear lube, new BR ADS, running VP95, mixed 40-to-1 with Bel-Ray. New coolant overflow hose. The entire engine was repainted, and it's a ripper. But we haven't rebuilt it. The previous owner did the piston on it, and top end has 170 PSI. Clutch and transmission work perfectly. It does have a big dent in the exhaust, as you can see right here. But hey, perfection is expensive. So, you know, if we take it down to the frame, the pipe alone is going to cost over $300. So we wanted to offer, people are asking for affordable dirt bikes. Here is one. Starting at the front, it's got a new Kenda Millville front tire. It still has the hairy nubs on it. Brake system was gone through. The front forks, as you can see, lowers were polished, the original finish. New fork boots, new front fender. The number plate was, I think it's the original number plate, to be honest with you. I'm not really sure, but it's in good condition. A new clutch perch and lever. New ODI grips, a set of aluminum bars. The radiator shrouds are replaced. There's a brand new seat cover, brand new rear fender, new side number plates. The rear tire was replaced at the same time the front was, but we've been tuning it, running up and down the driveway, so we wore the hairy nubs off of it, but it's still usable. The gold chain and sprockets were installed at the same time. They maybe have, I don't know, maybe an hour and a half ride time on them. It's a Renthal Sprocket chain, so just a good classic bike. The original pegs are straight, the original shifter is straight. The engine case on this side, the chain came off and cracked the case right here, so that was epoxy sealed or whatever the Wizard used. I'll find out and put it in the ad. I forget what he uses to seal that. If it was a frame off resto, we would have replaced the case half or went and had it professionally welded or whatever Wizard would say to do on it. So you can see we replaced all the hardware on the engine, new head bolts, new base bolts. Just a cool classic CR that's not going to have a starting a reserve bid over 9,000, and it's a perfect rider. So the chain guide on the back has been replaced, as you can see. Chain sliders were replaced. The frame rails were repainted, just spray bombed. It wasn't professionally powder coated or anything. The frame was touched up, so it's not perfect. But hey, man, the thing is probably cleaner than anyone you'll see on Facebook Marketplace for sure. But we usually take them to the next level. Usually these swing arms are all stripped down and polished like chrome, and you know, we can do all that for you if you want it done. If you buy this bike and you want to have it taken to the next level, we can do it. But 150 bucks an hour, it adds up a little bit. Original radiators. This radiator's bent a little bit, as you can see. We usually upgrade to some aftermarket aluminum ones, but it doesn't leak. It works fine. So for a rider, you can just leave it alone, man. And at the end of the season, if you want to take it apart and redo whatever you want to make it your way, go ahead. It's got new rollers on here. There's nothing to. No one's gonna have nothing but good to say about it when you show up at the track and they see it, because there's not too many 40-year-old CRs running around that look this clean. It's definitely a cool classic that is affordable and ready to go to the races. If you have any questions about it, give us a call. Check out the ad on eBay. It'll have all the specifics of the work order typed up in a full spec sheet of what was done to it. Thanks for watching. God bless America.